Hi everyone, I'm going to do a little demonstration of how to apply this polish. So everything you need a nail cleanser, your cuticle pusher, your GelMoment file, a polish, and the light of your choice. I'll be using the professional light today. So the first thing you want to do is buff and shape your nails. I've already done this step, so I'm not going to do it now, but you use this side of the buffer, the soft spongy side, to buff lightly the top of your nails. You don't want to over buff because we don't want to break down that nail too thin, and we're just basically taking the oil off of your nails. So after you do that step, you can push your cuticles up with the cuticle pusher, go around, get underneath with both sides. I've already done that, so I'm actually ready to polish. So then you take your remover pad, open it up. You're going to cleanse each nail with the cleanser pad. You only need one cleanser pad for your both hands. There's enough on there, so the box goes a long way. And you want to let that dry fully. It dries really, really fast, but it's just to cleanse and to get all of the oils off of your fingers. So the polish will take to your nails. Okay, I'll just let that dry for a minute. And I'm only actually going to do 4 fingers and my thumb because I plan on doing some nail art tonight with this finger. So I'm going to use 2 colors. So you want to roll the polish in your hands. We do not shake the polish because it can get air bubbles. And this is my first time using this new color, Mandarin Summer. I just got it today, so I'm excited. Oh, it's pretty. So you really don't need a lot of polish on your brush. Thin coats are important here. And I'm gonna just start in the middle and kind of push up and down my nail. You want to cap the ends. It's a little bit hard when your nail's really short. So I'm going to take that off. I'm not doing that one. I'm doing this one. Sides. This is so great how easy and fast it goes on. And I'm actually going to do the Pampered Tulips because I'm doing an art with these 2 colors later. So again, you don't want a ton on your brush. This is the easiest polish to apply. It just goes on so pretty and nice. People will think you went and spent like an hour in the salon. And my thumb. I can do all of them because I'm using the Pro Light. It's a little bit bigger than the small light where I could only cure 2 fingers at once. I can actually stick my whole hand in this. Sometimes it's a little easier to do the 4 fingers on each hand and then your thumb, your 2 thumbs together, but I'll do it like this. So you want to move your polish away from your light because you don't want, I'm going to stick my hand in there and turn my light on, and this will go for 45 seconds. And it's going to be totally dry. And then I'll do one more coat. You don't have to do a second coat, but it does change the look of the polish if you like a little bit of a more vibrant color, or if you want it to be just a little more subtle, you can leave it with 1 coat. I'll show you when it's cured what it looks like with just 1. It's quite nice as well. The one thing I love about this product is there's absolutely no smell to this polish at all. So I used to get headaches. Oh, I rubbed it on the top. So I bumped my nail on the top. Can you see that? But that's okay because they're all dry. I can go back in. And I'll have to be careful. It's cured inside the light. Oh well. Can fix that. So I'm going to go back in and do a second coat here with those. A little bit too much polish on the end here. You really don't want to be thick, because if you cure your polish and it's too thick, the top will cure and then the bottom will not, like underneath will bubble a bit if it's on too thick, because it won't. It was a little tricky at first because I was used to putting on polish so much thicker to try and get that nice look, but you don't need to do that with this. Like, this goes on so pretty with just a thin coat. That's it. Cap your ends. And I will pop that into the light for 45 seconds. And I'll be ready to go. Such fun summer colors. You can also mix our colors, which is really neat. You can create your own colors, and I'm actually going to do a little ombre look with these two colors and one lighter color later. That's why I left my one nail naked, because I'm going to go live, being brave, and do it for the first time live. That's how confident I am that I'm going to be able to do this with how easy this polish is to work with. It's really great. So that's it. Done. I could hop in the bath. Look, I can touch it. Oh, that one's not done. I could hop in the bath. I could go do dishes right now. I could do anything because it's that dry, that fast. Awesome. Hope this was helpful.